This hidden metal is changing technology, but no one knows it. Before we go deeper, tell me in the comments, have you ever heard of scandium before, or is this your first time discovering it? And if you enjoy uncovering hidden science like this, a quick like really helps the channel grow. Now imagine you're holding a premium bicycle. It feels incredibly light, but also strong and durable, almost futuristic. You might think it's just aluminum or some advanced steel. But here's the twist, that strength and performance could come from a tiny amount of scandium mixed into the metal. Not something obvious. Not something famous. But something extremely powerful in small quantities. Scandium is a chemical element with the symbol Sc and atomic number 21. It was discovered in 1879 and named after Scandinavia, where scientists first identified it. But unlike metals you hear about every day, scandium doesn't exist in large, pure deposits. It's usually found in very small amounts mixed with other minerals, which makes it difficult and expensive to extract. At first glance, scandium might not seem special. It doesn't shine like gold or carry the reputation of silver. But when it's combined with aluminum, something incredible happens. The result is a material that is extremely strong, very lightweight, resistant to corrosion, and able to handle high temperatures. In simple terms, it creates a metal that performs better than many traditional options without adding extra weight. This is why industries quietly rely on it. In aerospace, where every gram matters, reducing weight without losing strength can improve performance and efficiency. Scandium alloys help make aircraft lighter and more durable at the same time. In sports equipment like high-end bicycles, baseball bats, and golf clubs, it allows athletes to get strength without carrying extra weight. In advanced manufacturing and 3D printing, it improves the quality and reliability of metal parts, making them stronger and more precise. Even in lighting technology, scandium is used in special lamps that produce light similar to natural sunlight, which is useful in large stadiums and film production. But here's the part most people don't realize. If scandium is so powerful and useful, why don't we see it everywhere? Why isn't it as common as other metals? The answer is simple but surprising. It's not that scandium doesn't exist. It's that it's extremely hard to extract. It appears in tiny amounts, often spread across different minerals, and separating it requires complex and costly processes. Because of this, companies only use it when the benefits clearly outweigh the cost. And this is where things get really interesting. We are moving into a future where lightweight materials, energy efficiency, and advanced manufacturing are becoming more important than ever. Industries are constantly looking for ways to build stronger, lighter, and more efficient products. Scandium fits perfectly into this direction. Even though it's not widely known, it's becoming increasingly valuable in high-performance applications. There's a deeper lesson here. Some of the most powerful things in the world are not the most visible. Scandium doesn't get attention like gold or oil, but it plays a critical role behind the scenes. A small addition of it can completely transform a material. That shows how small changes, when applied in the right way, can create massive impact. Another important insight is that rarity often drives value. The harder something is to find and produce, the more valuable it becomes, especially when it solves real-world problems. And in a world focused on innovation, materials like scandium are not just useful, they are essential for progress. In the end, scandium doesn't stand out because of how it looks. It stands out because of what it does. It helps build stronger machines, faster systems, and more efficient technology, all without drawing attention to itself. It's a quiet force shaping the modern world. If you found this interesting, make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. And if you want to explore more hidden elements and powerful ideas, check out the next video on the channel. Stay in touch for more information.